Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to buy XRP on Trezor. First, connect your Trezor hardware wallet to your computer using its USB cable. Next, launch the Trezor Suite application on your desktop. It is crucial to ensure your Trezor device's firmware is updated to the latest version for optimal security and functionality. This initial setup ensures a smooth and secure transaction process for acquiring your digital assets. Once inside Trezor Suite, locate the Trade or Exchange section, typically found in the left-hand menu. Click on this option to access the integrated exchange services. From the extensive list of available cryptocurrencies, select XRP, also known as Ripple. Then, specify the fiat currency you intend to use for your purchase, such as US dollars or euros, to proceed with the transaction. Now, you will see a selection of integrated exchange providers. Take a moment to compare their rates and choose the one that best suits your needs. Next, input the exact amount of XRP you wish to purchase, or the fiat equivalent you want to spend. Carefully review all transaction details, including any associated fees and the total cost, before moving forward to the final confirmation step. To finalize your purchase, confirm the transaction directly on your physical Trezor device by pressing the buttons. This crucial step ensures that you authorize the transfer securely. After confirmation, the exchange will process your order, which may take a few minutes. Finally, navigate to your XRP account within Trezor Suite to verify that your newly acquired XRP has successfully arrived in your secure hardware wallet.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.